Did you know not only African people have curly hair or wavy hair? Love Untangled. Have you watched this Korean movie? It's really lovely actually, but it touches on Koreans that have curly or wavy hair. So there's this lovely girl, Korean girl that has big, long, wavy hair that she refers to as tangled hair that she inherited from her father. She blames her father like a lot in the beginning of the movie about why the boys don't like her because her hair is so big and tangled and frizzy compared to her sister who has this straight, beautiful looking hair. So she doesn't class her hair as beautiful or attractive. Even the first scene of her doing her hair, she's using this tiny comb to try and detangle her waves. Imagine if your mom and dad didn't know anything about wavy hair or curly hair, and so you had this little comb that all the straight-haired people use. And then she tries to blow dry it with the comb from the root going down. It's not possible. You've got to start from the bottom, or detangle it first and then start from the root. She's literally fighting with the comb and the blow dryer. It's just not working. She's struggling. This first scene was hard to watch. I struggled to even watch this. I wanted to go and help her. Can I tell you how it's supposed to be done? From the tip up to the root. Don't ever start there when your hair is tangled. Don't ever go, ugh. You are causing yourself pain. You are damaging your curls, breakage. You're yanking out your hair. And start with water. Wet it. Or get the Unbrush that actually detangles dry hair. Don't use a little fine comb like this. It's just not gonna work. The struggles we go through when we don't know what to do can make you cry. Have you been there? Has this happened to you? And why is it that we were never taught to love and call frizzy, big, afro-looking, wavy hair beautiful? Already, she has the, oh, no one likes me because my hair looks like this. Spoiler alert, there's a boy that comes into town that actually likes her the way her hair is. Shocker. Boys actually like girls with big, wavy, afro, curly hair? Frizzy? Yes. At one point in the movie, her father actually said to her, it's like getting a perm for free. You don't have to pay to get it curly, because obviously the Koreans go to the hairdresser to get their hair permed because they like some curls and waves, And he's like, yours are for free. But sadly, her reply is, it costs more money for me to go and get it straightened. How sad is that? It costs more to straighten your hair than to curl it. Already, this should be ringing some alarm bells. So she was unhappy for a while. And this new guy she meets, obviously he's like, hold up. His mother is a hairdresser in a beauty salon and she straightens people's hair. She puts some chemical in it, so I presume it's relaxer. Unless it's something else, correct me. But it costs a few hundred Korean dollars. I don't know what the currency is. Correct me. But she's like, I don't have enough money. So now she starts saving money so she can get her hair done. Because she wants it to look like everyone else's. She wants to fit in. She wants guys to like her. But little does she know, this guy already likes her. The way she is. The way she looks. The way you look. This is a lesson for you guys, okay? You will be loved by the right people at the right time. How you look, how you feel, your natural, beautiful self. You don't need to change your hair to go straight for people to like you. It's who you are. It's how you were born. Like my teeth, I know so many people go on about, you need braces. Are there no dentists there? Blah, blah, blah. If I wanted to correct my teeth, I probably would have by now. I don't actually have a problem with the gap between my teeth. But you have the problem. That's not my problem. I don't need to make myself look like how you want me to look. You make yourself look how you want to look. And you embrace your natural curls, waves, coils, whatever you have. They are beautiful. I'll try not to give you any other spoilers, but as the movie goes on, she eventually gets her hair straightened and she's sort of happy, but the guy who likes her did everything he could to stop his mother from straightening her hair. It's a good movie. Go and watch it. Korean stuff, generally good anyway. And then after a while, the curls and the frizz and the waves start coming back. This isn't a permanent solution. I mean, it is permanent because it lasts a while and it will damage your curls. But her curls come back and then she embraces them, which is beautiful. Thanks for this Love Untangled. It's been tangled, untangled, retangled. Like, it's beautiful. Love is not one straight line anyway. We go through tangles, ups and downs. It's quite normal. As you can see, I'm married. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.